Hi, I'm 5634. Please introduce yourself.
Uh, Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Deborah Vidal, 43 years old, happily married with two kids. Ages 17 years old girl and 10 years old boy. I am a born-again Christian and I live in Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan.
Okay, your highest educational attainment.
I am a college undergraduate in
Of what course?
nutrition and food tech.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Kuwait, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I am taking care of 5 kids. One is 9 months, the other girl, 7 years old girl, 11 years old boy, 13 years old girl, and 15 years old boy.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
Uh, Cleaning the house, washing the laundry, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, and taking care of the kids.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of 9 months old baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a meal for this 9 months old baby?
I will wash my hand, make sure it was clean, wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, put exact amount of formula milk, put warm water, shake it, then check the temperature before I give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check her temperature, I will check the diaper, and I will check if he is hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, the diaper, you also change the diaper, you feed the baby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call the mother, maybe she know what will I do.
And you will ask them, what should you do to the baby?
Yes, madam. Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the safest place and it offering highest salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until I finish my contract, but if my employer want me to renew my contract and extend it, it is my pleasure to renew it.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor?
I will call my employer, tell them if they are expecting visitor, if
And if they don't know, if they don't have any expecting visitor, what will you do?
I will not entertain the visitor.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Through YouTube, then I will try to buy cookbook, and I will try to ask the employer if she has time to teach me to how to cook the Chinese food.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please consider my application. I will promise to you that I will be hardworking, trustworthy, and I will take care of your kids as my own kids and to your family as my family.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Deborah. Thank you.